Whenever I go somewhere new, I love to go to their downtowns and look at the antique shops and the stores that they have available with all the cool things for sale. But I always find myself going right towards the recipe book section. And you can find some really good old recipes in old cookbooks. Now, this book isn't old, but the recipes in it are old. And I found this fun one called Boy Scout Stew. And it turns out to be a lot like the hamburger stew freezer meal recipe that I already posted, which is really awesome. So check that one out. But we're going to try this one anyway because it's a little different and it's pretty quick and easy. Start by frying a pound of hamburger and drain out the fat. Now, I can't help it. I'm adding onions, even if onions is not in the recipe. Then add a can of diced tomatoes and 2 cans of tomato sauce. The recipe says to add canned corn, but I didn't have any, so I'm adding some frozen corn. Then add a can of green beans. I'm adding a little more water because I did drain the green beans. I'm adding a half a tablespoon of pepper and a teaspoon of salt. Now at this point, I'm supposed to add a can of mixed vegetables, and that will give you some carrots and some potatoes. Well, I don't have a can of mixed vegetables, but I am going to add some potatoes. But when you're outdoors and you're camping and all you have is the canned goods, those will work perfectly, because then all you have to do is heat it up. But with this recipe, I'm going to cook it for 30 to 45 minutes covered to cook those potatoes. Once everything's heated up, it's ready to serve. Tasty, quick meal that you can eat at home or while you're camping. Thanks for watching.